Hi, welcome to the Lionel Collectors Club YouTube channel. I'm Ed, and today we're going to have a look at what's inside this box. Let's check it out.
As the ad says, to run under your tree for years to come. The LCCA tradition continues with this limited edition Lionel Boxcar. Yours will be shipped in this outer shipping container. It comes in our special LCCA box and is numbered 230-1550. Here's what's inside. You will find this 10-inch car with working 3-panel doors, sprung trucks, and working couplers. The Christmas scene on the side repeats on the reverse side. The top is adorned with large white snowflakes and the bottom is metal. Check out LionelCollectors.org for more information.
I hope that video was helpful, and if it was, please take a moment to like and subscribe. For the Lionel Collectors Club of America, thanks for watching.